Hello everyone and welcome back to Crochet Delight. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very basic little star. So, grab your yarn, grab your hook, and when you're finished you're going to need scissors. And let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to do to start out is you're going to chain 5. Then you're going to go into the very first chain and you're going to slip stitch that loop closed. Now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to do 10 single crochet in that ring. Now you're going to slip stitch together and you're going to do an increase. So you're going to chain 1, you're going to single crochet in the first stitch and do 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to do that all the way around, alternating from 1 single crochet to 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. And then you're going to slip stitch together to form the ring. You can push your little tail out of the way. Now what you're going to do is you're going to chain 6. And then you're going to single crochet in the second chain from your hook. And then you're going to half double crochet in the next one. And then you're going to double crochet in the next one. Treble in the next one. And then you're going to do a double treble in the last one. So then what you're going to do is you're going to skip 2 single crochet, and then in the next one is where you're going to you're not going to single crochet, you're going to slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 6, and you're going to repeat that pattern all over again. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, a treble in the next one, and then a double treble in the last stitch. And then you're going to skip 2 stitches and then slip stitch in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. Alright, when you get all the way around, this is what you should have. So what you can do is you can go into the first stitch that you started with and slip stitch and then fasten off because you're finished. And this is what your little star should look like. Alright, have a delightful day everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video.